TFNN. Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. And as we were on the show yesterday describing how the stock of Goldman Sachs had pushed the Dow Jones up so much, we went way above these all-time highs in the stocks. Because of most of it was because of Goldman Sachs. It was up $35. That was more than several hundred points on the Dow itself. Now, you'll notice this morning we did, right on the open, we made just a slightly higher high. We were looking for it to go to 840. That was the AB equals CD pattern. And the high today was, well, we missed it. It was 841. Anyway, here's where it is right now. So one of the things that we always talk about when we look at this is to look for really strong trending markets. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at some of those today just to see how they did. And I'll do this one a little bit later. I want to do the one in the Dow Jones, I believe, because that's the one that looks so very, very interesting here. Here is the Dow Jones as we get ready to look at it here today. There was our big move. As you can see, there's where we were last night, the market going absolutely straight up. Let's look at it from a little shorter time frame. Now you can see here this morning, there's where we were yesterday. Okay, then we started down, folks. Okay, now all I'm going to do now is just go through some of the things that I always talk about. When you have a real strong trending market, you want to look for some 382s. You can see them as you go through here. There's one here, there's one here. Here's your big one right here. There's your open. Okay, so all you have to do is just go back to the high that you made last night, right up there. Draw it. Well, it doesn't quite get it the right way, so I'm going to have to fudge it a little bit. Otherwise, it won't lock up. It still won't do it. Anyway, you're going to have to trust me on it, folks, because, wait a minute, no one trusts anybody in this business. So I'm going to show you, this is the 3. Yeah, boy, it better come in the way it should have, because it hit it right on the money. And there it was right there at 831, and now you can see the market has been going down ever since. We're down well over 700 points from the high. We had another little ABCD move here. Let's see if that went to the 382 also. And if you put that in there, you can see that didn't, and we're still moving down. So something has changed in character, and I'll show it to you when we come back. I'm going to show you a chart that you won't believe.